was hiking on a beautiful day in June when I was set upon by 3 crows. Were they forecasting my doom? Or perhaps warning of a sudden change in the weather? The sky grew dark and the winds howled, crashing through the forest and knocking down trees. There were bound to be fallen trees across the trail. Another good reason to always pack your silky saw. My current favorite, the Bigboy 2000 with extra large teeth.
I'm sweating. I'm all buttoned up for these damn mosquitoes and black flies. And it is muggy. Big thunderstorm last night, thus explaining the blowdown situation here. Now we had to deal with. Let's finish this up and get the trail clear. I love my silky saw, Bigboy 2000, extra large teeth.
Hiking, sawing wood, and good times really builds an appetite. That's why I love my Jetboil Mini Mow. It covers the 3 easies: easy packing, easy cooking, and easy cleaning.
Hello inside. Nobody's home. I'm being eaten alive. Eaten alive.